Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a suction cup. You'll also need an ESD strap to avoid static damage to your components. It's crucial to work in a clean, static-free environment. First, power off your device and unplug it from any power source. If your laptop has a removable battery, take that out as well. Next, locate the small screws on the bezel surrounding your screen. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips or the screen itself. If you find it difficult, a suction cup can help to create a gap to insert the prying tool more easily. With the bezel removed, you'll see the screws holding the screen in place. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure about any step or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Next, gently pull the screen towards you while being careful of the cables connected at the back. Disconnect the cables by gently pulling them out. It's important to handle these cables with care to avoid any damage. Now, take your new screen and connect the cables first. Ensure they are securely attached. Then, position the screen back into the frame and replace the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the holes. After securing the screen, it's time to reattach the bezel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws around the bezel to secure it fully. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components gently with compressed air, ensuring no dust is left behind. Once everything is in place, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything works perfectly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dell Inspiron 3515 screen. If you encounter issues or prefer professional help, remember we provide a quote before repair and no calls, no travel. You can rely on us for a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.